Do you think sanitizing or disinfecting frequently touched surfaces keeps you safe from COVID-19? A sanitizer will only momentarily destroy the virus on the surface. If an infected person touches the surface again, then it becomes infected once more. Introducing for the first time in Sri Lanka, Vibe EcoCare Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray. Sprayed once and keeps surfaces protected for up to 24 hours from COVID-19, including other viruses and bacteria. Sanitizers do not kill the bacteria and only eliminate viruses momentarily. Standard disinfectants do kill both bacteria and viruses, but only momentarily, again exposing your surfaces to bacteria and viruses. Yet Vibe EcoCare Multi-Surface Disinfectant eliminates all bacteria and viruses and provides you with protection for up to 24 hours from point of spray. Vibe EcoCare Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray takes effect immediately and within 30 seconds completely destroys all surface germs. The CAD or Continuous Active Disinfection technology in Vibe EcoCare will continue to protect that surface for up to 24 hours like a shield against bacteria and viruses. Even if an infected person touches the surface, Vibe EcoCare keeps it disinfected and destroys the germs at point of contact, even on the surface of the infected. Use Vibe EcoCare Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray to protect all kinds of surfaces in your office, in your factory, in your restaurant, in your vehicle, and even in your house. Keep the viruses and bacteria away and you and your loved ones safe. Vibe EcoCare Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray suits any surface, won't change the color of the surface, is gentle on skin and eco-friendly, pH 7.0 balance and corrosion-free, protection on, repetition gone. Take infection control into your hands. Vibe EcoCare Multi-Surface Disinfectant is clinically proven to have 99.99% germ kill by the Industrial Technological Institute of Sri Lanka. EcoCare is manufactured under the guidelines of ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and GMP. You and your family deserve the best protection out there. Vibe EcoCare. One spray a day. Keep the COVID away. For more information, call Alpha Lanka Solutions Private Limited on 011 340 1717 or 0775 635 319. Alpha Lanka Solutions Pioneers in Industrial Solutions.